What is the SPY ETF? Is that 18% year to date? That sounds amazing. What stocks are included in the SPY ETF? We'll answer all those questions and more for you in this video. Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. This is your high-flying, electrifying, star-studded, warm-blooded, savvy stock squirrel. I'm coming to you live with another episode of The Nut House, where we talk about stock, investments, saving, retirement, and everything in between. On this wealth-building journey, come along for the ride and hold on to your nuts, my savvy squirrels. What is the SPY ETF? What's up, Squirrel Squad? When it comes to investing, everyone wants growth. But what if you want some growth and some S&P 500 exposure? In this ETF, you get all your favorite S&P 500 stocks in an all-in-one bundle. How fantastic is that? Now, my squirrel friends, let me introduce SPY. This is the S&P 500 stock ETF by State Street. This ETF has focused exposure to the S&P 500 index. This tracks the performance of the most popular U.S. stocks. What is this SPY ETF all about? This ETF is widely regarded as the best gauge of overall performance in large capitalized U.S. equities and is comprised of 500 American companies representing a wide range of diverse market sectors. The SPY ETF has a dividend yield of 1.26%. It also has a very low expense ratio of 0.09%. Would I recommend the SPY ETF? Hell yes, I would. Are you freaking kidding me? These are all the best companies running the stock market today. All of the stock squirrels' favorites: Apple, Microsoft, Google, Amazon, Tesla, Meta, and Nvidia. Now it's time for the stock squirrel's final nut rating. How many nuts would I rate the State Street SPY ETF? Let's hear the drum roll. I give the SPY ETF 5 out of 5 nuts. Let me list all the things I like. First, the juicy 18% year-to-date gain is excellent. I also really like how the expense ratio is extremely low at 0.09%. Also think about this. The dividend yield of this ETF is 1.26%. That means that the dividend alone covers the entire expense ratio. So technically, this ETF fund is free to own when you think about it. Plus, you get a nice dividend. It also shares the growth of all the top U.S. companies in the stock market. I think this ETF is fantastic. This fund is absolutely top tier, and I would recommend it highly. Even Warren Buffett loves the S&P 500 index immensely. Well, that's it, my Squirrel Squad. Thank you for joining me for another episode of The Nut House. And remember, my squirrel friends, the secret to squirrel success: never stop gathering your nuts. The Stock Squirrel is signing off. We'll see you next time. Have a great day. Lastly, what are your favorite ETFs? Are you invested in SPY? Comment down below. Thank you for listening. It's been wonderful sipping coffee, hanging out, petting my dog, and talking stocks with my favorite squirrel subscribers. Please like and subscribe to me on YouTube. My family and I would greatly appreciate it. It puts us on the YouTube algorithm so more families can learn about finance and investing. If you want to sign up for WeBull, which is hands down the best stockbroker in my opinion, you can do it through my YouTube links tab, inside the video description, or in the comments section. You'll also get 5 free stocks for doing so. If any of the information provided to you today was helpful, feel free to send this hard-working squirrel a donation. You can find my channel donation link in the video description and also in my YouTube links tab. Any donation, no matter how small, is greatly appreciated. It goes towards my stock research and helps me to continue bringing you free content on this channel. Also, feel free to follow me on Twitter, X, and Instagram if you want to see a financially savvy fat squirrel in action, and believe me, you'll see some action. Also, please understand that I am not giving investment, financial, or legal advice. You, the listener, are responsible for your own actions. I am only here to provide education. Please, don't be a dingbat and blow up your stock account. Thank you.